In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a DocuSign template. This process will streamline your document signing tasks and help ensure consistency across all your professional communications. Imagine having a template ready to use whenever you need to send a document for signing, with all the essential fields and details pre-filled. Let's get started on making this a reality. First, from your DocuSign homepage, navigate to the Templates tab. Once you're there, you'll see an option to Create Template. Clicking on this will open up a new page where you can begin designing your template. Starting with a template rather than a new document each time saves both time and effort, ensuring that you're always sending out documents with all required elements included. Next, you'll be prompted to add a name and description for your template. It's important to choose a clear and descriptive name so you can easily identify it later, especially if you plan to create several templates. The description will be helpful not just for you, but for anyone else on your team who might use this template, providing a quick overview of its purpose and content. Once you've set up the name and description, it's time to add your documents. Simply upload the files you want to include in your template by dragging them into the designated area or selecting them from your File Explorer. This will be the document that you send out for signing, so make sure it's formatted just the way you want it and that all necessary information is included. The next step is to identify the people who will typically be interacting with this document by adding roles. For each role, you'll need to input a name and email address. This helps streamline the process when you send out the document, as you won't have to constantly re-enter this information. Instead, you can choose from preset roles when sending out the document, making the process faster and reducing the risk of entering incorrect information. Now, you have the option to customize the email subject and message. This is what your recipients will see when they receive the invitation to sign the document. A clear and concise subject along with a personalized message can make a huge difference in how quickly and smoothly the signing process proceeds. So take a moment to craft a message that conveys the right tone and information. Finally, once everything is set to your satisfaction, go ahead and hit Next. Review all your settings and information to ensure that everything is correct and in place. And there you have it. A streamlined, easy-to-use DocuSign template ready to facilitate your document management needs. By following these steps, you'll save time and minimize errors in your document signing process, keeping your professional communications efficient and reliable. Thanks for watching, and happy templating!